Afternoon guys, it's James from Motorhome Retrofits, and today we're doing a little video about the premium audio package. Now the triple audio package is something that we've been supplying and fitting here at our workshop in Poole, Dorset for the last few years, but then earlier this year we decided to make a slightly better package, and that's been now aptly named the premium triple audio package. So the original TAP or triple audio package consisted of some sound deadening in the doors, an Alpine discrete 8-inch subwoofer that gets fitted behind or below the glove, the central glove box, or rather the drinks holder. If you do have the glove box centrally, then we need to upgrade that for the drinks holder. But as long as you have got the central drinks holder, then this subwoofer can go below that. Then also as part of that, we upgraded the door speakers to these German handmade, very good quality Eton speakers. And these also came with the Eton tweeters. Now these tweeters, depending on the model of your vehicle, were either fitted to the outside of the A-pillar or were fitted in behind the A-pillar on the actual A-pillar trim. And what we do is we remove your old ones and we hot glue in the new ones, so you won't then need the little spacer ring that you can see on here. In fact, you don't see any of this because it's all hidden away nicely behind the scenes. Now, the reason for us doing the video is because we've had lots of you asking what's the difference between the package of 1399 and 1999. Is it worth it? Am I going to notice the difference? Is it worth me spending the extra bit of money? Well, of course it is, and the reason for that is because even though our triple audio package has been a massive success, we always want to strive to give you more. And there are some of you out there that want more because of the fact that you've got noisy motorhomes, you want to reduce road noise as much as possible, you might be into classical music or audio books or podcasts, or just like listening to your music. So therefore you want to create the best possible environment for your listening pleasure. So hence the reason why the premium triple audio package came along. We call it the PTAP. Now, if we stick with exactly the same Eton component speakers. Component basically means that they are part of a set. Component is door speaker and dash tweeter. So let's just put those to one side. With the standard triple audio package, we would supply and fit the Alpine SWA 150, which is an amplifier that works in conjunction with the subwoofer. But what it does is, to make it universal, it doesn't use phono connectors for us to be able to pick up the low level frequency from your head unit. It actually uses line level, which means that we tap into the rear or the front speaker inputs of your radio or the outputs, and that's how we connect this. This does not boost your speakers, it purely powers the subwoofer. But it does have a really neat little bass control gain adjuster. So if you do get into your vehicle and you've got a bit of a headache, you can just wind the bass adjuster down like so, or you can turn it up. So pushing that to one side. Also, I wanted to show you the speakers that come out of your vehicle. Now, whether you've got a Vauxhall Movano, a Fiat Ducato, a Peugeot Expert, or a Citroen Relay, this is what is fitted in your door. Mass produced, really cheap, very lightweight, and not very nice. Now, if we compare that to the Etons, immediately the first thing I notice is the weight. The weight of this is completely different. You can see the quality of the design, so let's just put those in exactly the same orientation. So there's the factory speaker, and these are the German speakers. Now, if we turn them upside down, you'll see here, look at the size of the magnet, which makes a big difference, and more importantly, the basket design and the material that the speaker cone is made from. The frequency is very different for this particular speaker, so therefore it can play to different levels and music abilities. So again, whether you're listening to heavy metal or rock or classical or podcasts or audiobooks, doesn't really matter. These new speakers have a much better clarity to them. Now, we have had customers that have just come to us and just had speakers fitted of course, with the forced option of sound deadening, because we don't fit any speakers here at Motorhome Retrofits without sound deadening, because we have to provide the actual base foundation for what we do. So in conjunction with sound deadening and the new speakers, those of you that just want better clarity and depth, then that's what's going to do for you. But for those of you that want more, hence the reason why we came up with the premium triple audio package, is because the standard triple audio package has been amazing. We've sold lots and lots and lots of these and installed them, and even sold them as a supply only basis. But now this product range that you see here is purely the premium triple audio package. So let's start with the Comfort Mat Vespa. The Comfort Mat Vespa is 2.5mm thick. And what we do is, once we've taken your plastic door card off on the front and the passenger door, we apply this to the outer skin of the vehicle, so that when you tap the inside or the outside of the door, you can hear a nice thud in there. That will then reduce road noise massively on your outer skin. And then on the window regulator panel, where your speaker is fitted, or where this new speaker is going to be installed, we cover that door in another layer of 2.5mm Vespa. And then that helps with, again, road noise, reducing the road noise, but creating that best foundation for your speakers. Now, on the back of the plastic door card itself, we fit this. Now, this is 15mm Soundwave. Now, this Soundwave is like recording studio material. It's eggshell. It's 15mm at its thickest point, and it compresses nicely. And what that does is, when we fit it to the back of your plastic door card, it soaks up all the rattles, vibrations and resonation of clips, fittings, wiring looms and anything else that's in your door, to give you your 3 stages of sound deadening. Now, the sound deadening and noise absorber, we can't tell you enough how important it is for especially motorhomes, where you are in a commercial vehicle, and it doesn't matter whether you've got a low-end conversion or an expensive £300,000-400,000 conversion. It still started life as a commercial vehicle, so having the sound deadening, for us, absolute no-brainer. But what we've done to really give you that premium package is not just the extra time and material to fit the second stage 2 and the stage 3. We've also swapped out the amplifier that I spoke about earlier, that just purely powers the subwoofer, for something that is a dedicated subwoofer amp. Now, this is a Phoenix Gold subwoofer amplifier. This is going to connect to your head unit on the basis that you have an aftermarket head unit via RCA cables, and the RCA cables are low level. So they will connect it to the back of the amplifier here through a little adapter lead, and we still can give you subwoofer control. So just like the original premium audio package, the triple audio package that has a bass controller, with the premium triple audio package we still give you bass control, but this packs a punch. So it's a lot more control and a lot more power, which gives slightly more rounded bass, and it's definitely noticeable. One thing we are going to be doing in 2026 is we're going to be introducing a bigger brother of this Phoenix Gold amp, which will then be able to power the subwoofer independently, and also the front speakers and possibly rear speakers, but we're currently looking into that as we speak. But we just felt that we needed to explain the difference between the 1399 triple audio package and the 1999 premium triple audio package, because of the extra work and the extra kit that we're fitting. So we're swapping out the old Alpine amp, fitting the dedicated monoblock Phoenix Gold subwoofer amp that you can see here. We also take off the extra window regulator panel, and we fit the Comfort Mat 2.5 on the outer, and then we also fit the noise absorber on the doors. It takes around a day and a half to do premium triple audio package for one person. Generally, when we've got premium triple audio packages booked in, we've then got an extra fitter on board to try and make sure that we get all of that done in one day, as long as we start at 8:30 AM. Now, if you've got any questions about this video, please do get in touch with us. We don't always have the time to fully man our YouTube channel because we run 2 businesses here and we are really, really busy with the YouTube side of things, videos and questions. But if you want to know a bit more about that, please do get in touch with our contact form or with us via the contact form on the website, and then we can tell you very clearly, here's the triple audio package at 1399, and here's now the upgraded premium version at 1999. So I hope you found this video useful, not too technical. It was more just to explain to you what we're giving you for the extra money, and yes, it's 100% worth it. So website links in the bio, and also both the product listings for our website, and keep watching our videos. If you don't subscribe to us already, then please do, and we'll catch up with you on the next video. Thank you.